Students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you might be okay in your respective homes. Today, the world is facing the biggest challenge of COVID 19, a small virus that originated from Wuhan city of China, is still beyond our experiments, and no remedy or medication is available in the world at the moment. It is better for us to follow the restrictions that are being issued by the state machinery and health department time to time so that we can remain safe and sound in these days of pandemic. All the educational institutions in the entire India and in entire UT of J&K are shut. Every activity related to life is also shut. It is better for us to go or opt online and offline mode of teaching so that our valuable time may not get wasted. Today I am devising one another way of teaching political science class 11th without using whiteboard. You are watching whiteboard in the background where the topic is written. Why does coalition arise in multi-party system? A very important topic in political science class 11th. Dear students, India has opted parliamentary type of government, and here always majority party rules the government, or it is majority on rule. In India there exists multi-party system. That means many political parties contest election after term of 5 years for Lok Sabha and state assemblies where the terms may be different. It is not like the British party system where there is bi-party system, one strong opposition and one strong government gets formed in the end. And also like the Americans, there is bi-party system also existing, one strong opposition and one stable government comes into being. Multi-party system simply means where many political parties contest election after a fixed term. When elections are held, no party gets clear majority to form the government. That we may say it is fractured mandate always. When no party gets clear majority to form the government, ultimately these parties have to join hands to form the government, and such a government is called coalition government. So, question is very simple to answer. Why does coalition arise in multi-party system? Because in multi-party system, no party gets absolute majority sometimes, or sometimes a single party gets the majority, and often no party gets majority in the Lok Sabha or in the state assemblies, and these parties have to join hands to form the government. So the coalition arises in multi-party system because of the party system that exists in India. Dear students, this coalition government is never a stable government. It always remains in the threat of its downfall. For example, in 1999, Vajpayee, Atal Bihari Vajpayee remained in the office, as Prime Minister of India for 14 days only because vote of no confidence motion was passed against him, and finally he lost his majority and some members did not support him, and finally the Lok Sabha was dissolved. In state assemblies you are too watching the same scenario. Mehbooba Mufti government, it was a coalition government between BJP and the PDP, and finally BJP pulled back its support to the Mehbooba Mufti PDP led government, and finally the government in India was dissolved government in J&K, state of J&K was dissolved and assembly was suspended by Satyapal Malik later. So very simple to answer. Coalitions arise in multi-party system because often no party gets majority to form the government. Because for forming a government, a party needs clear-cut majority or one two-third majority to form the government. And many times, no party gets absolute majority to form the government. Ultimately, they have to join the hands to form the government, and such a government is called coalition government. And because of multi-party system that exists in India, that is why the coalition government is arise in multi-party system. But remember in your mind, a coalition government is never stable government. Coalition government is never a stable government. If where biparty system exists, like UK and United States of India, there always we watch and see the strong governments or stable governments. Dear students, it's enough for today, but I am devising a new policy. I hope you will get benefit from this policy also without using the whiteboard. You are seeing topic in the background. But I am before leaving the class, I'm advising you to remain inside your homes. Do concentrate on your studies. Some good political science books are available with you. To see these things on your reference books or textbooks of political science, so that your valuable time may not get wasted. If any question strikes your mind, you can call me on 7006 671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number, or even can email me kgm38864 at the rate of gmail.com, and your query will be answered within short duration of time. But before leaving the class, I am advising you to follow the restrictions and remain safe and sound. Thank us.